The Scotch Yoke Calculator determines sinusoidal motion parameters for Scotch yoke mechanisms. Let's examine the three input fields required for this calculation. First, we have crank radius R, where you enter the radius of your crank in millimeters. Next is RPM, where you input the rotational speed in revolutions per minute. Finally, there's crank angle theta, where you specify the current angular position of the crank in degrees. For our demonstration, I'll use a crank radius of 10 millimeters, an RPM of 10, and a crank angle of 10 degrees. After clicking Calculate Scotch Yoke Motion, we receive three critical outputs. Position X equals 9.85 millimeters, telling us the linear displacement of the yoke from center. Velocity V equals negative 1.82 millimeters per second, indicating the yoke is moving backward at this instant. Acceleration AI equals negative 10.80 millimeters per second squared, showing the yoke is decelerating. These values represent the instantaneous kinematic state of your Scotch yoke mechanism at the specified crank angle. This calculator streamlines the complex trigonometric calculations needed for Scotch yoke design. Find the link in the description below.